Doctor.
Badwan dental education. Digital dentistry made simple. Welcome to the future of implant workflow. Let's scan.
What is it?
Today we talk about the cylinder scan body. A digital scan body used in implant dentistry. It is called a reverse scan body because we scan the prosthesis instead of scanning the implants directly.
This digital scan body records the exact implant position.
To design the final restoration
Accuracy.
Digital scan bodies provide high precision, often around 20 to 40 microns, while photogrammetry systems can reach extremely high precision, close to 2 microns. Both technologies help us capture the implantation accurately, for predictive cover restorations.
Explaining the video.
Now let's understand the steps in this video. First, the denture is placed in the mouth. The light body material is applied inside the denture. The light body records the soft tissue and denture adaptation.
Before scanning.
Scanning workflow.
After that we begin the digital workflow.
First we take the bite scan
To record the occlusion.
and we scan the cylinder scan bodies. These cylinders allow the scanner to capture the exact implant positions. The software reads the geometry and converts it to digital plan coordinates. Adaptation. The cylinder scan body used here is a product from DIO Implant Company. In this video, I am only explaining the workflow and the digital concept behind it. Cylinder scan body, reverse scan technology, capturing implant positions with digital precision. From scan to CAD design to the final restoration, landing signature. Dr. Badwan Dental Education. Learn, scan, smile, follow for more digital dentistry education.